What's up, YouTube? Back with another video for y'all. Today, before I get into that, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already joined, where we talk about finance, business, and we do a little lifestyle. This right here is a lifestyle type of video. So as y'all know, I recently got, new body. So it's another update. And really, I want to share with y'all my unboxing of my new Faja, because in my last video I was telling y'all I need a new Faja. So basically I ordered one finally. I had got some feedback from somebody else who recently had surgery. She's like, yeah girl, go ahead, grab it. I've tried one of their Fajas. You should be fine. So here I am. And I'm be doing a review on To Be Snatched Faja. So let's get into it. Okay. I ended up ordering a extra large. I normally wear a large in clothes, but these Fajas be so snatched that I need a, oh yes, it's good. I needed that snatched, but I needed room for my thighs, because ladies, if you get your tummy tuck or whatever you decide to get, remember, us other parts of your body that still didn't change, and if you haven't lost that weight, then don't neglect the fact that it's still there. So the Faja that I'm currently wearing is like, oh, my button came undone. The Faja that I'm currently wearing it has me snatched. Don't get me wrong, this Faja has me snatched, but I need options, and I feel like I've been wearing this one so long that it's losing it's like losing its shape. So this one here, we're gonna be trying the To Be Snatched. I forgot which one this is. This is like they had different. I'm gonna be trying this To Be Snatched. To Be Snatched Faja. And this one actually has the butt compression and it's cinched at the waist. It's called the guitar. So the guitar, I guess, is cinched at the waist and it has the butt compression. And actually the bra part is no bra on here. The one I'm wearing now has a bra on it. So I actually want one without the bra so I can wear my sports bras. I'd much rather do it that way. So let's get into it. Give me a second. It has a little hook right here. I don't know if y'all can see the hook right here at the top. I'm gonna start from the bottom, and I'm putting it on as tight as it can go. Okay, y'all see this Faja is snatched. It's taken me a little longer than usual, honestly, because this is my first time breaking the Faja in. And as you know, like these are snatched. And y'all see the back. Okay, but I have the compression garment on because I didn't get a BBL or anything like that. So I just used that area for shape. But I would be doing this a lot faster. It's brand new, so this is a good indication that this Faja is snatched. I do have a bigger upper area, and I was talking during the video, but I was so out of breath that I felt like a voiceover would be much better. So yeah, I finally got it on. The top area is pretty big, so when you can't see it, it's kind of hard to clip it, but I'm doing my best. Hang in there. And before anybody try to talk stuff, I'm talking about my breasts. I have big breasts, so I can't really see the what I'm clipping it on. I love how this Faja goes right up and it covers the top of my stomach because I have a longer torso. a lot of times that area doesn't make it under the compression. So I love the full coverage. It's honestly really cinched at the waist. Like my rolls are definitely up in that, as you can see. But I got it on. I was supposed to. It's like a little black thing I supposed to push down, but I didn't do that. So yeah, I'm snatched. Love it. Yes. Can somebody say to be snatched? Because baby, this is snatched. And it got a little compression in the back. Period. Period. Okay, so what I'm gonna do next, I'm going to, let me see, I'm gonna wear this for 24 hours. So right now it's 11:30. Right now it's 11:30. So I'm gonna check back in with y'all at 11:30 a.m. and give y'all like a full review, because y'all know these Fajas, we gotta keep them on all day, every day. So to give y'all an actual review, I kind of want to, get up in it. But from my initial reaction, I'm so happy with my purchase. I'm satisfied, girls. Yes, this is what I wanted. This is what I expected. It already exceeded my expectations. I know y'all see I'm snatched. But beyond that, I really hope it keeps the swelling down, because swelling is definitely a up and down battle. The surgeon did his thing. I'm healing good. Actually, no, I noticed something yesterday, so I'm gonna be setting up an appointment with Dr. Bronstein real soon. Of course, just a regular checkup, but I also have some questions. So this video is pretty much to give y'all a review of this Snatched to be Snatched guitar. I guess compression right here in the hips, everything. Y'all see that? And then there's a zipper for the bathroom. So, I mean, thumbs up. Go ahead and get you one. I'm so happy with my purchase. I'm going to be checking back in with y'all. I said, why did nobody correct me? I said 11:30 a.m. But I meant tomorrow at the same time. I'm going to check back in with y'all. So, Friday night. Oh, that remind me, I got something to do. Anyway, I'm going to check back in with y'all. I'm back, YouTube. It's been officially, it's 10:50 p.m. Close to 24 hours. Ooh, I made it. 24 hours since I've had on this Faja. Let me give y'all a list of things I did today. So this morning, of course I ran some errands today, but I did so many errands. I did somebody's makeup. I took another shower today, so I got in and out of it multiple times, like enough to be like, okay, and then now I have another Faja I'm gonna put on after this. So I'm gonna give this one a wash and then put that one on while I'm washing this one. So basically, let me get to the real important stuff, of course, because I know you want to know. Like, after wearing this for a full day, I feel like I needed to give a full review, and I couldn't do that just by putting it on. Like, okay, it's one thing, first impression, but what about throughout the day? So I guess I'll just give y'all what I liked and what I didn't like. Okay, so what I like about this is, because my last Faja, like where the little snaps start, the little silver snaps, where they start right here in the crotch area, there's a little space between the zipper and that. My last one, it was like you had to like pin it together all the way, and then the zipper started. So basically, anytime I had to use the bathroom, I had to unhook it like all the way down and then unzip it. I mean, I still have to unhook every single one of them here, but at least it stops like right underneath my navel, like right there, the clamp stops. So that little space, I just love it so much. And then also what I like about it is the fact that it actually cinches the waist. Like, I love the full coverage. It goes all the way, it covers my full torso. The last Faja I was wearing, because I had the bra on there, if I didn't have the bra snipped here, then I had like a piece of my stomach like not getting that compression. So I was always swollen in that area. So I love the full coverage. It covers my full torso. This one does not come with the bra. So that basically this full coverage is just on its own. Which I love it. I still feel snatched. Like my thigh area, this hasn't rolled up anytime today. I've worn jeans over this today. Like right now I have on a skirt, but I had some jeans on earlier with like a sweater. So I was like, I had on layers earlier. Now I don't have as many layers on. So either way, I was comfortable with the faja on, and I love how it had me snatched. I love the compression, how it has me. Like, I love this. I'm going to be buying me another one, period. Definitely thumbs up. What I didn't like, and this is probably the only thing I don't like about this faja, and it's probably because I'm used to the one having the bra, but like the straps right here, like they were like cutting into my skin at one point, like rubbing underneath my arm. So I did loosen it up, but you can still like feel it. Like you can definitely feel that, like, so you have to be sure to loosen it up and adjust it to what's best for you. But after I made the adjustments, it felt a lot better. I just don't want to say like, okay, I would give it 10 out of 10. There's always improvement that can be made. What I noticed is that To Be Snatched is basically a retailer for another company, which I don't want to disclose because they don't really matter. The person who actually reached out to me, I would assume is the owner of To Be Snatched. She got the right stuff. Let me just tell you that she got the right manufacturer, and like I said, I'll be buying another one. I want to get a different color because this one's black. I rather with the skin tone color than black, because certain things that I might want to wear, the black, and then it's gonna be hot outside, so I don't know. This faja, I love it though. Thumbs up. I hope this video was helpful. Let me show y'all how I'm looking. Okay, so I need to find me. It's been, I want to say 11 weeks since I had the surgery, and I'm gonna call probably like this weekend to set up minor pains here and there, like those shooting pains, like out of nowhere sometimes. I mean, it's bearable. I mean, it's not like, oh my gosh, like that bad where I need to take a painkiller, because it usually goes right away. But it's just like, damn, it makes me think like, damn, how long this shit gonna last? Like, I feel like the pins and needles here and there, and itching. But like for this area, my stomach, my abdomen feels great. The main thing is just the swelling, maintaining the swelling. So other than that, I just wanted to let y'all know this, if you was, you know, if you wasn't sure if you want to get a To Be Snatched faja, look, I'm just a messenger. I'm letting you know, go get it. Maybe go get two. And I'm not even being paid for this. I'm just letting y'all know that I was so concerned that I didn't have time to go try it on and stop there, and I took a chance, and it actually exceeded my expectations. So I'm just sharing from one bougie girl to the next bougie girl, or even if you're not bougie and you know you just, you know, you want your body to be snatched, this is the right place. And I guarantee you'll be satisfied with it, because the way that I like things, she came through. Shout out to Be Snatched. And I will be doing more videos. Stay tuned if you haven't already. Go ahead, like this video, give me a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, whatever you need to do. Hit that bell icon button. Make sure you tune in to Money Moguls, and y'all stay on y'all money stuff, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace.
Hi, Reggie.